What's up, beauties? It's Liana. I'm back with another video. I haven't been posting in a while, but I decided to post because it's Valentine's Day. So anyway, you guys, I found this wig on Amazon. It was $60 plus shipping. I wanted it a day, so it probably came to like 77 or something like that. It is human hair, and I'm gonna take this off for you guys so you guys can see. I never tried this light color before, but it works. When I first bought the color, it was a little blonde in the middle and stuff like that, but I didn't dye it or anything like that. I just ended up putting some powder in it, some brown powder, and then I ended up putting a little bit of black mascara in it to make it look a little bit more natural. So this wig was $60, you guys, and super cheap, and it's human hair. The inches that I have is 8 inches. So far I love this wig. It is a lace. It has lace in the back also, and it didn't take long because, like I said, I wanted it by Valentine's Day or whatever. But as you guys can see, it's really pretty. And the thing about where I ordered this wig from Amazon, you can actually order other wigs that's in pastel colors like pink. You could do green, blue, or you could dye it yourself, however you want to do it. But I just ended up getting this wig, and it was like, okay, I'm gonna just work with whatever I have and see, and see how the color turns out with my complexion, because I'm a little brown, and it's perfect. So I love it, you guys. You gotta go get it. The 613 wig. I saw a lot of people on YouTube post their installs and things like that. I wanted to post an install, but I wasn't sure how it was going to look. But I ended up having to cut the lace, and I used this got to be spray to melt the lace in the front and around the perimeter of my forehead and things like that. And I didn't really do much to it. Like I said, I just put some black stuff in the middle, put the powder in the middle so it can look nice, like it's coming from the roots, from my own roots. And that's about it, you guys. But you guys should go check this wig out. I'll post a link below so you guys can see where I got it from. Like, you gotta go get it. Like, this is definitely like summer ready, spring, summer, fall type look. February live. So you guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Like this video, comment, comment whatever you want to comment, and just show me some love, because I'm giving you guys this crazy deal. This is $60. It's human hair, and a lot of wigs that I've seen, they were like at least 80 to 100. I really wasn't trying to pay 80 to $100 for a wig that's 8 inches, because it's like I can get any other wig and it'd be cheaper. So just make sure you always look for different options and stuff like that if you don't want to be spending over $100 for a short wig, because I definitely didn't think it was worth it. But just search around if you do feel like you want something different. But like I said, this wig is perfect. So go check out the link. Let me know what you guys think about the wig that you guys see. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.